Welcome back. Let's talk about the big earning that came through yesterday. This is, the Wipro, which posted a weak set of first quarter earnings, like we were pointing out, pretty much in line with what the poll suggested as well. So the constant currency revenue growth contracted by 2.8% on a sequential basis. This is, remember, the lower end of the company's own guidance. In fact, it is worse than the figures that were reported by its large cap peers as well. So weaker than what TCS and HCL Tech posted. And their guidance also shows weakness will persist for constant currency revenue, at least in the near term. For Wipro, we have seen the margin also came down, so it's down by around 25 basis points. However, one positive in the results was that deal wins continue to be robust in line with peers. So we saw similar, moves come through for HCL as well as TCS as well. The biggest miss, however, for Wipro this time around was the headcount, where the company's actually seen a big contraction in Q1. There you have it on your screen. So you can see the headcount has slipped sharply. But we also spoke to the management on key demand trends as well as the outlook on margins going forward. So listen in to what they had to tell us.
The reality is that, we continue to have a market where there's a demand for technology, where we have deals, where we actually sign more large deals than we used to sign in the past, and also a market where there's a reduction of discretionary spend across industries, in my mind. Now, with some industry probably more impacted than others, the banking, financial services sector, the communication sector, the technology industry, certainly. So I'm not sure, Rima, I would necessarily say that the market is worsening. I think we continue to be in this market where there's a certain level of uncertainty that drives some of the behaviors of our clients to be a little bit cautious when it comes to discretionary spend.
It was operational improvement that drove the margin performance, where we kept margin very stable even when we had a certain amount of softness in the revenue, and in fact improved utilization, improved overall execution of our projects, and so on and so forth. So we do have sufficient levers that one can continue to engage in to deliver a stable performance around the range that we operate in.
All right, that is the management of Wipro.